Hello everyone. Meet our friend Arnold. He's an engineering student. From his childhood, his hobby is exploring space with his telescope and gathering all kinds of information about space and NASA. One day, he went to his campus and heard about a competition named NASA Space App Challenge. He became so excited that he immediately dived into it. He gathers his friend and made a team. Arnold and his friend designed a project, but they did not get much information from the internet which is relatable to their project. Also, Arnold faced difficulties in their project submission and registration. In the beginning, our Arnold was enthusiastic about their project, but for the lack of information and complication he faced throughout the journey, he loses his confidence and he felt like he was two steps behind from other competitors.
Like our Arnold, we were on the same course when we were looking for some optimistic projects from our previous mates. Though we were able to find some, most of them were the top regional projects or the projects from the finalist. We were able to find some more from some online portals, but not so much. So that's the thing that lead us to this project in this challenge.
NASA Young Explorer app. We work to simplify your journey with NASA. No doubt, this is one of the most exciting and challenging platforms for everyone. In this platform, every student and enthusiast goes through a lot of initial process when they try to participate in this challenge. First of all, some of us get the competition information from the social platform or some from the website. Secondly, we had to connect with our organizer by another different platform. After that, we had to register our team on another different website, and then we had sent our team pictures by mail and so on. As a competitor, we had to go through a lot of processes only for the team and project submission.
Now about the major problems everyone faces when they try to build up their projects, as there are no specific project details in NASA's official website or any other columns that describes all the projects accomplished by the previous teams. We all know the NASA Open Data Portal provides a catalog of 42,946 datasets, but it's too difficult to find specific project data when we need, as there is no specific data categorization and also no exact social platform.
We had so many ideas in our mind, but we were stuck to thinking that. Though it is not a huge puzzle to solve, we think before starting and thinking for the project to work with proper knowledge about the previous ones could build up one mindset so strong that it would become easier for everyone to participate and compete.
In our NASA Young Explorer app, we have collected all the previous project details and furnished them one by one so that when the new enthusiast would think about the Space App Challenge, they might just end up using our app to find every detail and way of submission, registration and also communication from the beginning of the challenge and come up with way more beautiful innovations.
In our app, users are defined in two variations, as competitor and as organizer or authority. As an organizer, they can post announcements, links, videos, communicate with teams, and also collect team registration and project submission data, etc.
As the team participants can communicate with each other, they can use our app docs for their projects, they can chat, post videos or links, share screens on group calls, they can personally communicate with their mentors easily. And the best part is they can use our data portal whenever they want. We organized our data portal into 3 different categories such as government data, country-wise and code agencies from analysis of all the NASA resources. We believe this project will change all the difficult initial process and help a competitor to come up with way more innovative projects easily with less waste of time. Also, there will be no copyright claim because all the videos or datasets will be launched by NASA.
With NASA Young Explorer app, next generation could innovate more great idea with fewer difficulties.